Welcome back, parents. Over the past several weeks, we have been talking about text selection. We've gone over some good rules of thumb for how to choose appropriate and interesting text with your child. And we've also introduced some really good online resources that you can use at home to access books and titles for your child as well. As they've started to go through some of these resources, you've probably noticed that they've gravitated toward a particular genre or topic. The topics that your child is choosing are likely falling into either fiction or nonfiction categories. So today we're just going to talk about the difference between these two types of books so that we can understand how to have a meaningful conversation about what our kids are reading based on the type of book that they have in front of them. The most generally known difference between fiction and nonfiction is that fiction is not real, while nonfiction is based on fact. Fictional stories are read for enjoyment. We read them for fun. We read stories in order from beginning, middle, and end. They're supported by illustrations and vibrant colors, and they include characters, setting, problems, solution, and elements of plot. Nonfiction is completely different. It is real text based on real fact. We read nonfiction text to learn about a particular topic. Nonfiction texts are often broken into sections and can really be read in many different orders. They're supported by graphs, charts, pictures, and photographs. And they may include additional things like a table of contents, glossary, index, or text features such as bold or highlighted words. We can use nonfiction text to gain information or to get directions for how to do something. It's important to understand the difference between these two types of text so that when we have a conversation with our kids at home, we're asking the appropriate type of questions that mirror the type of text that they're reading. Next week, we are going to take a more in-depth look at fiction and talk about some of those skills that we can reinforce at home in those conversations we're having with our kids.